Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to make a fantastic tube paper airplane. Tube paper airplanes are not only easy to make, but they also provide a lot of fun and excitement. So, let's get started. First, gather your materials. You will need some standard paper airplane cutouts, a tube, scissors, a pencil, and some glue or double-sided tape. Choose a paper cutout that is slightly larger than the tube, so that the wings can fit easily inside it. Now, cut the paper into 2 pieces, with the wings attached. Make sure the wings are long and wide, so that they can spread when the plane is in the air. If you want, you can also add some fun patterns or designs to the wings. Next, take the tube and insert one end of the wings into it, making sure they are aligned with the tube's wall. The other end of the wings should be hanging down, outside of the tube. Now, use your pencil to gently push down on the wings, bending them into a curved shape. This will create lift and help the plane glide through the air. Keep the wings in this position until the entire plane is inside the tube. Once the plane is fully inside the tube, use glue or double-sided tape to secure the wings to the inside of the tube. Make sure everything is secure, and then you can pop the plane open and enjoy your new tube paper airplane.